Success after 30 isn't luck, it's intention. They say the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. If you're over 30 and feel behind, this is for you. Step 1. Accept where you are. No denial. No excuses. Step 2. Change your mindset. You're not late. You're early for your comeback. Step 3. Take responsibility. Blame keeps you stuck. Ownership sets you free. Step 4. Upgrade your habits. Small daily discipline beats random motivation. Step 5. Guard your circle. Energy is contagious. Choose wisely. Step 6. Learn something new. Skills pay bills. Growth restores confidence. Step 7. Fix your health. Energy is power. Step 8. Build one clear goal. Not 10. 1. Step 9. Stay consistent under pressure. That's real maturity. Step 10. Be patient. Strong trees take time to grow. After 30, you don't need hype. You need habits. And remember, you're not starting over. You're starting wiser. If this message spoke to you, subscribe to Mind Insight for real growth, real mindset, and real transformation.